You're gonna get it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Look what they sent.
What? What's that?
Check this out. Ready?
Oh, those are so cool.
So cool. I think we're both having good snacks. Should I put banana, but now I'm having cottage cheese? It kind of changed my mind in the middle. I don't know.
Why do you have to record all?
I create recipes to inspire people to make delicious and nutritious food for themselves and their family. So I teach people how to do what I do for you, you know? How I make you delicious and nutritious meals.
So for the people that serve the homeless shelter?
What?
I might want to have more soup.